5, 8. Math is great. Today we are going to learn something about arithmetic sequences. What are arithmetic sequences? They are numbers being represented in a line. But behind these numbers, there is a logic. There is something that is being repeated, and it will help us to figure out and fill out the space somewhere inside the row. We look at the numbers and try to understand and answer the question, are they even or odd? Are they even or odd? 20, 18, 16, 14, and 10. Every number is even if it can be split or divided by 2. If I have 20 apples and only 2 students, can I make sure that each student gets the same amount of apples? Yes, I can. I will make sure that every student will get 10 apples because 10 plus 10 is 20. So we divided our 20 apples into and we got 10 and 10. Same with 10. We can split 10 by 2 and we will get 5 and 5. So every number in this number line is even, which means to get an even number out of the existing even, you have to add or subtract number 2. So we look at the first number 20 and see if it grows or becomes smaller. It does become smaller. 18 does become smaller. 16 does become smaller. And 14 does become smaller, which means we are subtracting. Since we got even number 18, we have to subtract not 1, we will get 20 minus 1, 19. We have to subtract 2. 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. Yes, that's right. Every time we will have to subtract number 2 from the previous number. So 14 minus 2 will give us the answer 12. We are double checking 12 minus 2. Yes, that's 10. Let's try another example. Again, it's been repeated. 20, 18, 16, and 16 minus 2 will get 14. We use subtraction to get our space filled up. 18, 16, 14, and we are subtracting 2 every step we make to the left. So we have to subtract 2 from 14 and it will get 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. That's right, that's correct. Are we seeing the numbers being increased or being decreased? We are seeing them getting smaller, which means we apply the same strategy, subtraction. The easiest one is to take number 10 and subtract 2. Did we get 8? Yes, that's correct. 8 minus 2 is always 6. What if we subtract 2 from 6? 6 minus 2 is 4. That's correct. And now we see the number line and the numbers to the right are growing. 12 became 14. 14 became 16. Does it mean that we are still using subtraction? No, we are using, right, we are using addition. 8 needs to grow, and the thing that it grows is by adding 2. 8 plus 2 is always 10. We are checking 10 plus 2 is always 12. And now let's try to make it a little bit faster. 10 question mark 14 16. Yes, the numbers are growing, so we are adding. We have to add 2, right? That's correct. 12. The numbers are growing 6, 8, 10. Right. We are using addition. 2 plus 2 is always 4. Correct. 2, 4. Yes, they are growing. 0, 2, 4. And 4 became 6. That's correct. 2, 4. Question mark 8, 10, 12. Right. We are adding. And the number that we are adding is 2. 4 became 6. 12, 10, 8, and 6. We see here that the numbers are getting smaller. We are not using addition anymore, but we are using subtraction. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 6 minus 2 is 4. That's correct. And we really have that would be 5 beautiful stars. Well done.